Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a 10,000 per month faceless YouTube channel using free AI tools. So if you want to make 10,000 per month on YouTube without showing your face, you can use AI tools. At the end, you can create a fully automated faceless YouTube channel for free. So the first step, you need to choose a profitable niche. So your niche determines how much YouTube ad revenue you earn. So if you want a high CPM niches such as from 10 to 50 per 10,000 views, you can do finance and investing, business and motivation, tech reviews, AI and automations, and also software tutorials. But if you want just low effort niche with viral potential, there are top 10 facts and trends, gaming clips, celebrity and news updates, and also science and space. So you can just use Google Trends and Vedic to find trending topics. The second step, you can generate video scripts using AI. So use AI tools to generate scripts in minutes. You can use Chat GPT. You can get a full video scripts with that, or you can also use a paid but better quality such as Reader or Jasper to create AI content writing. And you can also use the YouTube transcript search to find and repurpose viral content. So for example, you can just write a prompt such as I'm going to show you. For example, you can just write like this: write me a 3-minute YouTube script about uh, Windows 11 newest updates tutorial. Okay, this is just an example. You can write anything really, and after that you can just add something like this with an engaging intro, key points, and CTA or call to actions. You can just hit on enter and just let chat GPT to write you the script. You can see they will start with the opening shot. There's also this one, so you can just read the or just use the script to create the video. Next, you can just use the AI voiceover. So if you don't have mic, no problem. You can just use AI voice generators for free, such as 11 Labs, Play HD, vid.io AI voiceover, or ttsv.com. So you can just choose natural voices to keep viewers engaged. Next, you can create AI generated videos. So you can just turn your script into a high quality faceless video. There are some free AI video generators such as CapCut, Pictory AI, or Synthesia.io, and there are also Runway ML. So you can just choose which one to create your video, your faceless video. And after that, don't forget to make an eye-catching thumbnail and optimize and upload for maximum views. So you can use Vedic and the TubeBuddy to find high-ranking keywords such as instead of using how to make money online, you can just write how to make 500 a day using AI like that. And don't forget to monetize and your YouTube video. So in conclusion, you can just start your AI powered YouTube channel today. So no need to show your face, no need for expensive equipment, and it's 100% AI automations. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.